Okay, good morning everyone, and welcome to another Sunday ride series. So today's ride I'll tell you about as soon as we've filled up with petrol, but this MT10's a little bit thirsty, so let's top her up and we'll head out. Okay, so today's route, we're going to head up the Caton Road, which we're on now. We've just come through Caton, and we're all fueled up and ready to go into the national speed limit just here. And what we're going to do today, by the way, you can see it's a glorious day, sunny day, perfect Sunday, a little bit rainy yesterday, so today's the best day to get out. And one of the roads we did with Mark and Dex with the RD350, I'm going to come down that road but the opposite way today. So planned route is we're going to head up the Caton Road just here, past a load of bikers just here on the right, popular spot, and we're going to head up towards Ingleton. We're going to go over the tops on the road towards Hawes, and when we get to the Ribble's Head Viaduct we're going to turn right and we're going to head down to Skipton. We'll probably stop in the square of Skipton so you can see that and what's available there, and then from there we're going to head through Skipton, and then we're going to head through the Trough of Bowland all the way back to Lancaster. So sit tight, enjoy the ride. Thankfully White Van Man is turning off. And then just down here we're going to head into the village of Hornby. So the village of Hornby, you've seen this many times in my videos I'm sure. Lovely little place. Grab and go coffee shop just there, little tea room. Shop on the left. And then just over the bridge on the right you've got the castle. Lovely place, but keep your speeds down coming through here, keep the noise down. We want to preserve our roads, our biking roads. So I see a lot of noise cameras and things sprouting up in Europe. I do hope they won't be becoming a part of the furniture just in these villages and around these areas. Would spoil it for biking. So just respect the villages as you go through, just slow down, obey the speed limits, drop it into a different gear and cut the noise level down. Much appreciated. Okay, so we're going back into the Nationals now, and this is the A683 by the way, that takes us up to Kirby Lonsdale. Just coming into the village of Melling, again down to a 30. Lovely little cottages in this place, is really nice. Melling Village Hall. We got some roadworks by the look of it. Somebody cut in the hedges. No, it's scaffolding. Bit of restoration work. Okay, so we're just going to head right on the 6A687 here, just over the Humpback Bridge, and then that will take us up to Ingleton, across the A65. So what have I got on the cards for the next coming weeks then? So I've got a little trip coming up, and it's not the Scotland one that you voted on. That will be coming up in August at some point, and if we can't do that one in August, it might be like beginning of September. Let's see what work's got on for me. But yeah, so the trip that I'm planning now, this is all weather dependent for two reasons. One, I'm going to have to ride to the south coast of England to get the Channel Tunnel and head over into France, and then I'm going to hang a left and head up towards the Netherlands to go and see a mate of mine and spend a weekend on his boat. What we're going to do is the 31st or the 1st of August, we're going to go down, like I say, through the Channel Tunnel, and we're going to head up, cut through Belgium into the Netherlands, and we're going to head up towards Eindhoven area, park the bike up, and then we're going to head out on his boat for a couple of days. So we'll get some nice footage. One of my other passions actually is boats. About 10 years ago I used to have a few boats, so I'd love to get back into boating again. Now his is a like a little motor cruiser, and he's got a nice tender, and he's got some water toys and stuff, so we're going to go out into the canals and also the lakes over there and have a bit of fun for the weekend. Bit of a boys trip, a few beers, probably a barbecue involved at some point. So I'm really looking forward to that, and also videoing the footage. Now probably will do a lot of motorway miles to get down to the Channel Tunnel, so there probably won't be a lot of footage from there, but the journey will start for me when I get into France, and I'll be filming from that point all the way up through Belgium and into the Netherlands, and some footage of the weekend, and then we'll try and do a nice route back to get back to the UK and up to Lancashire. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. Like I say, it is weather dependent, not just for the bike but for the boat as well, so hopefully I'm praying that the weather turns nicer, although it is warmer in the Netherlands currently than the UK, so all being well, that will go ahead, and that's coming up in a couple of weeks time, and probably be a week later by the time the video edit comes out. So what a glorious sunny day, blue sky, not seen that all week, and a new camera angle, so hope that's going okay. So yeah, the bike will be going into touring mode again, and I'm not actually going to take the sports screen off that's on the front there. I'm going to keep that on, and although the motorway work down to the south coast will be a bit of a drag, I'll put some earphones in. Earphones? Yeah, earbuds. Keep the noise out my ears going down. And actually I get less buffeting on the helmet with this screen than the actual touring screen, so less wind noise really, just cleaner air. I'll be putting my top box back on, just for daily essentials that I need, and then I'll be taking my 30 litre roll top bag with me from Oxford, the Oxford Aqua, so fully waterproof, and I'll get enough in that at my top box for a good weekend. As it's warm, I will be just wearing my summer gear, as you can see, and my bullet jeans, motorcycle jeans, and then if we do get any rain, I'll just take some waterproofs that I can sling on and just keep them in the top box. So staying on the A687 towards Ingleton. So we're just coming into the village of Ingleton, and I just wanted to have a little scoot round where the sign said for the village, because I've never been up this road before. Little tea shop on the right hand side just here, all very nice. A lovely little place. All these years and I've never come into Ingleton village. Well, I have now. Nice little cottages, and it's brought us out onto the road that I wanted to go, so the B6255 towards Hawes. And then we're going to head up this road, and we're going to get to the Ribblehead Viaduct, and we're going to turn right. And just come past the sign saying Yorkshire Dales, and then you've got all these epic views of the valleys, and just up here on the right hand side on the top of the hill there you've got White Scar Caves. Nice place to head for the family, and not sure if it's open though at the moment. We'll soon see when we go past if the car park's full or not. Nice ridge off to our left there, top of the mountain. Lovely place. We got the White Scar Caves entrance and building and things just on the right hand side. Car park's closed, so that's all closed still. And then you've got this epic road that takes you all the way to Hawes. Not to be missed if you're up this way.